Hey guys, welcome to the Southport 38. This is Southport's newest model. When you guys jump on board, I'd love to show you more about it. Here we are at the aft of the Southport 38. Take a look here. You have this huge mezzanine seating. Sits 4 across comfortably. It's also accompanied with 2 large bench seats that fold down real easily. You can sit another 4 or 5 guests safely right here. And then you have your raw water, freshwater access right in here, followed by a live well, and then an extra cooler as well. So here we are now at the helm of the Southport 38 FE. A few things you can see right off the bat are we have this beautiful ladder back teak seating, really nice diamond stitching. You can pick out any upholstery colors, any stitching patterns that you really want. We have this new teak deck flooring, followed by 3 22-inch screens. We also have this boat equipped with the new Seakeeper ride tabs, fully functional through your Garmin. You can go through all your displays here. And we also have the newest Seakeeper 4 gyro stabilizer on this boat as well. As we enter the bow of the 38 FE, you have this large lounge facing forward. You actually can adjust this backrest as well to get you 2 different full lounge or sitting up a little bit further up. And then you get this large bow seating adjustable table and also bow filler cushion as well. Here we are down below in the Southport 38 FE. As you can see, it's very spacious down here. A lot of teak finish everywhere, nice teak table. We actually installed a TV as well. Plenty of space to stay at night, get out of some weather. There's actually a wet head included as well. So thank you so much for boarding the Southport 38 FE with me. Like I said, it's the newest model of Southport. We're really excited about it. If you want to get more information on it, follow us on all our social media platforms or reach out on our website, sandyhookyachts.com.